everyone, I'm Erik Whitcraft, AIFD Floral Contributor for Florist Review Magazine. Today I'm going to demonstrate how I created this boho-style Moroccan-inspired centerpiece, perfect for your next autumn party. I'm using clothesline wire. It's a nice heavy gauge wire you can get at the hardware store. What I do to start with is take one Uglu tab and attach it almost to the end of the piece of wire, and then begin wrapping the yarn. In certain areas, I've actually wound it over the top of itself to create more contrast in size and a little bit more texture. And then I've bent them and coiled them and twirled them in a way that they're interesting. Next, I've taken a nice ceramic bowl and I've anchored the foam into the bowl with a little bit of anchor tape. From there, I'm setting a candle holder atop of it and an LED candle, but you could use a real candle as well. From there, I'm basing the arrangement with some of the Japanese maple as well as this beautiful chocolate-colored ninebark. One additional element that's fun to tuck in are succulents. In this case, I'm using faux succulents, but you could actually use fresh ones as well. Next, I've added in the wire armatures that I created with yarn. I've added in the cymbidium orchid, the pincushion protea. As additional textural elements, I've added in some of the zonal geranium, the craspedia, as well as the scabiosa pods, and these beautiful yellow roses from Rio Roses. This variety is called Brighton, and it opens really lovely. It's a nice bright contrast against the dark foliage. Also, I've added in a little bit of the bunnytail grass, which is another fun dried element, just to finish off the design. These warm tones make you think of Morocco. They make you think of autumn. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you were inspired. I hope to see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.